So guys, just before I was about to drop my phone, my uncle told me to continue videoing here this beautiful set of paddy fields with a temple at the end. Wow, I mean, come on guys. Where can you find this in a first world country? Where can you find this in any other part of the world? I mean, South Asia, yes you can. Many places, paddy fields, houses, such beautiful places around here. Everything is going as follows and things going as planned, and just go with the flow, you know. Check out the little houses around here. Oh, there's a fresh curd shop, and yeah, we are traveling a bit fast, but amazing view guys, amazing view, really beautiful, really calming scenery, helps you just relax and forget that the rest of the world exists for a while. So everywhere you're going to go around here, you're going to find cultivation, because Sri Lanka, of course, it's an agricultural country. So you're going to find rice, you're going to find lentils, you're going to find tobacco, you're going to find plantain, bananas, you're going to find sugar, coconut, sugarcane, coconut, tea. I mean, tea is like, yeah, the entire world knows that tea is famous for Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is famous for tea, and yeah, some of the best food produce in the world is produced in Sri Lanka. Even in the Middle East, while I was there for a couple of years, we did have a lot of fruits and vegetables coming from Sri Lanka, sorry. So yeah, it's a tiny little island paradise, that's what I call it. 84,000 square kilometers. You have seasons. You can literally witness the three out of 4 seasons, maybe 4 out of 4, except snow. We have everything else. You could travel to each different part of the country, which gives each different part gives you a different feeling, a different weather. So yeah, just cruising around the roads, really safe and smooth journey, and we are enjoying this ride guys. Seriously, we are.
Driving, nice and